So on problems like number 18, you're gonna we gotta figure out how to get rid of this I, because I don't want any fractions in my answers. So all you're gonna do is top and bottom multiply by 3I. And multiply by what's down here. And multiply those two together. I'm gonna distribute that to that, and I get 9I. Then I get 27 plus 27I squared. Over 3 times 3 is 9I times I squared. Remember, I squared is equal to -1, so anywhere that is, you need to plug it in. So I have 9I plus 27 times -1 over 9 times -1. So I have 9I minus 27 over -9. So I am going to divide this out. 9 divided by -9 is -1I. That divided by that is plus 3. My final answer will be just rearranged as 3 minus 1I. So on this one, just multiply by what's in the bottom. And that'll help you get rid of that. If you see I squared, plug in -1, simplify away. Number 19, because there's a plus sign in here, we gotta do like we did for a different problem, number 12 with the conjugate. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 1 minus 3I. This is the conjugate. It's the opposite of what's down here. I just changed this positive to a negative, or a negative to positive if necessary. 1 minus 3I. So now I'm going to FOIL out. That times that is 4. That times that is -12I. That times that is 1I. That times that is -3I squared. Over. Bottom. First, 1 times 1. Outers, -3I. Inners, positive 3I. And then 3 times -3 is -9I squared. Alright, so I'm simplifying. I have 4 minus 11I. I change this I squared to a -1. Bottom, I have 1, -3I plus 3I. Cancel out, that's the idea. Minus 3 times minus 9 times -1. So we got 4 minus 11I plus 3 over 1 plus 9. This gives me 7 minus 11I over 10. Now if I can, I do try to simplify top and bottom. Mine didn't work out that way. Yours should work out that you do cancel out and you won't have a fraction anymore in the bottom of your problem. Now lastly, number 20 talks about a TD and how they're measured diagonally. So you have a conventional set like this. The diagonal measures 46. The HGTV, the ratio of width to height is 16 to 9. So I'm going to find something out comparatively. So you need to use Pythagorean theorem to get this piece. To get that length. And once you know that, you're going to set up some proportions. Sorry, this is the letter B. So you're going to do 48, whatever your value is for the x, equals a over 16. So you absolutely need that diagonal here to do this. You're going to cross multiply, divide, and then solve for a in that point. In a similar way, you're going to do 46 over the value you get for x equals b over 9. Cross multiply, 46 times 9, b times that number, and you're going to be able to divide and get b by itself.